Hi, and welcome back to Hook Eat Up. Today, we're making tzatziki sauce. Tzatziki sauce is a yogurt-based sauce that comes from Greece that includes herbs and cucumbers and goes well with fish, roasted meats, and pita bread. This is how you make it. What you're going to need to make tzatziki sauce is salt and pepper, Greek yogurt, dill, half a cucumber peeled and seeded, and 3 cloves of minced garlic. First thing that we're going to do, we're going to dice up the cucumbers. You want to get them into nice little morsels. First, I'm going to slice them into about 1/4 inch thick wedges. And then again into 1/4 inch cubes. Now that the cucumbers are all diced up, grab a spoon, open up the Greek yogurt, empty about half of it out into your bowl. You're going to put in the cucumbers. Then the garlic. Give it a good old stir. I'm just trying to get it initially combined, just so things are kind of even. Then I'm going to add some salt. Add some pepper. I'm going to grab some of the dill. You can add as much dill as you'd like. First I'm going to go in with about a tablespoon of dill, chopped. Stir that in. And I'm going to add the rest of the Greek yogurt. A little more dill. And when you use fresh dill, it tastes better. But if you only have dry dill, use what you have. Some more pepper. A little more salt. A final stir. And in just a few simple steps, you have your tzatziki sauce. If you're looking for ideas on what to make with this, check out one of my other videos. And don't forget to subscribe. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you tried. And thank you once again for coming by Hook Eat Up. Take care.